okay, in the classroom, and the deadline will be Saturday. So you need to complete your study experiment about the introduction of to PLC and the arithmetic operations. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So I am opening the Kill Macrovision software. So this is we are restricting ourselves the arithmetic operations based upon only 8-bit. Nowhere we have taken 16-bit, but that thing also you can do. But here I will show you how do you take a division of 8-bit by 8-bit number. Okay. So as the previous project is open, I need to close the project. So those who have come for the first time, for them please see the steps. So if any of the previous project is open, you have to close the project. So go to the project and you can see here there is a closed project. Okay, close project. So close the project. So once the project is closed, here these are the three windows: project window, editor window, and build output window. Then go to the project again, then new Microvision project. So this is a new Microvision project. So once you click on the new Microvision project, there comes a other window. So here it is asking you to create a new project. It is asking you to create a new project. Okay. So मैंने बताया था for every project there should be a new folder. For every project there should be a new folder. जैसे हम अगर मैंने documents में मैंने सब सेव किया है, you have to know the path also. So there is project number 1 and there is project number 2. ये दो folder मैंने बनाए थे. Project 1 is having the code for addition, as well as project number 2 is having the code for subtraction. Similarly, I want one more folder, that is a project number, that is project 3, for carrying out the division. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ha.
Yes,
So
sir.
so I'll be having a new folder now. Click onto the new folder, and there comes a new icon. So write down the name as project 3, project 3, and in this project 3, you have to give the file name. So as I'm doing the multiplication, I will write multiplication, and this file will be saved as with an extension of .uvproj. Okay. अगर हम इसको expand करेंगे तो it is having only one option, that this will be saved as .uvproj. So just click on save and see what happens. Now it is asking you the device. तो मैंने जैसे बताया था, you can go with 89. हमने C लिया था या S लिया था? 89C51 लिया था ना? 89C51.
हाँ सर.
हाँ. So you can see the microchip 8980 89C51. So I need this particular IC. So this is a selection of a device. Here you have a selection of a device. Vendor का नाम है microchip. Device का नाम है 8089C51. Tool set is C51. Okay. मैंने search किया तो here I have, and here you have a description about that particular IC which you have selected. Then okay. Now you can say no or you can say yes. मैंने पिछले बार yes करके delete किया था. Okay. So I will just show you कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे yes करता तो there in the project workspace you have the project name as a multiplication. In this one, target one is created. In this target one, you have a source group one attached, and in the source group attached, you have startup.e51 as a file. Okay. So I do not require this file. I can remove thereafter. But and before that, I will show you that the other file in which will be writing down the program, how to create that file. Okay. So once you have created this target file 1 with the source group 1, then there comes the go to the file, go to the new, or else there is a directly icon of a new. So you can click here and you can see there appears a editor window in which we will be writing down the program. Okay. As this file is not saved, it is showing you by default text one. So once I will save this file, you have to give the name. Okay. So I'm showing you for the division now. Okay. So the same thing, you will be starting writing down the program from the address of 0000. So it is org 0000h. Then see what I am writing down. Move a comma hash 12h. Okay. Move a comma hash 12h. So this instruction, what it will do, it will take immediate data 12 as a hexadecimal number into the accumulator A. Then move B comma hash 07h. So I have taken the other operand. So this is the first operand, this is the second operand. First operand in accumulator, second operand in B. So 12h and 07h. Then I have to divide 12 by 07. So it is, I have
सर
I
आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशनचा करतोय.
no, I'm showing for you the अच्छा हम multiplication कर रहे हैं ना. Okay, we will show for the multiplication. I'm doing for the multiplication. Okay. So then I will do one thing. You can take anything. मैंने आपको AB के लिए बताया था. Okay. Okay, मैं आपको I will show you for the multiplication. Now see the changes in division and multiplication. ना मैंने यहाँ पे AB लिया था. यहाँ पे मैं भी ले रहा हूँ. Move R0. I am taking, it is R0, okay, not RO. So R0 I am taking as 12H, and R1 I am taking as hash. Here also I am taking suppose 12H. Okay. So this is a multiplication of 12H into 12H. Then the next line I need to do what? I need to move. Now यहाँ पे मैंने आपको इसलिए बताया R0 कि that can be taken from R0 to accumulator. Okay. So there is addition of two more instructions. Move A comma R0 and move B comma R1. This is to show you that I can take two registers from the register bank R0 and R1. But even though I have stored 12 and 12 in R0 and R1, for doing the multiplication, actually I require register A and B, because you have the command which is move AB. You have a command of move AB. You do not have command move RG. You do not, sorry, this is wrong. This is MUL, because you have a command mul AB. You do not have the command mul R0 R1. You only have command mul AB. So it's better you take a number in A, number in B directly, or if you are taking register R0 and R1 to store the two numbers, then indirectly you have to shift those numbers in A and B register, because you have a command mul AB. So mul AB will do the multiplication of two numbers which is present in A register and B register. Okay, multiplication of two numbers in A register and B register. Now this will give a result which will store by default in A register, and if I do not want to store into A register, I can move into some other register. That is, I have used R0 and R1 here. I will use R2. I will use R2 to store the answer which is present in accumulator, and I will end the program. So here I have just shown you that even though I have taken two R0 and R1 from the register bank, then also I have to keep these values into A and B. because I have this command of mul in. Okay, and end the program. So this is a small program for doing
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
ठीक है. So I have end the program now. Once you have end the program, you have to save the program. Then you can go to this icon or you can go to the file and save the program. So go to the file, I will save the program. You are saving this program now. You have to see now editor window क्या change होता है. And also you have to see this project workspace. यहाँ पे क्या changes होता है और जो मैंने जो लिखा है यहाँ पे क्या changes होता है. Okay. Now see here. In project 3 directly you have the file generated with the type of Microvision project 4, and there is one startup file, that is A51 file. Okay, then you have listings and the objectives folder, which are indirectly added. These are the supporting folders. Okay, everything is present in project 3. Everything is is available in project 3. Here you have to give the name and you have to save this file as assembly language. Okay, so file name I will just write down mul. So mul will say that this is a file with mul. Now I have to save this file as what? So there is no option of in what uh, extension I have to save. Here you have to write down mul dot asm. Now I have told you that that this skill program can be used to write down the assembly language program as well as for C. C program भी हम इसमें लिख सकते हैं. So if I want to save this program in C, then you have to write down the code in C and you have to save the file with the extension of .c. Then this file will be saved as a C language program. लेकिन हमने assembly language में program लिखा है, so that has to be saved in ASM. So mul.asm, and then you have to save this program. So everything is saved in the folder of project 3. So always remember, for every program you should have a separate folder. Okay, so save this program. Can you see the changes? Can you see the changes? Okay, so the commands are given in the blue color. The registers or A register, R0 register are given into the particular green color. Okay, and the immediate numbers are given in the red color. Okay, now with this we will see we have even saved this file as mul.asm, so the name appears on the screen. Okay, so we have saved this file. Now this file has to be attached with this source group 1. This file has to be attached with this source group 1. Okay, so you have to go to the workspace. You have to right click on the source group 1 and there comes add existing file to source group 1. So whatever the file is written in the editor window, that will be added in the source group 1. So add existing file to group source group 1. So just click here. Now it is asking you which file you want. I want .asm file. So here आपको asm file नहीं दिख रही है, but अगर हम यहाँ पे टाइप में जाके अगर हम .c वाला यहाँ पे .asm वाला है, so asm source file I want. So यहाँ पे जब मैं क्लिक करूंगा, then you will be able to locate that file. See this file mul. Okay, so this is the file which I am interested, and this mul file has to be attached or added in the source group 1. अभी source group 1 में जब मैं add करूंगा तो you have to see here your file gets attached here. So add करो and you are see mol.asm file is getting attached. Then close this. Okay, close this. Now initially you can use no option, otherwise you can remove the startup, because I only want one mul file which is should be attached to the source group 1. तो ये फाइल को आप right click karo and you can just remove this file. This file will be removed. Only one file will be attached. Once the file is attached, now everything is okay. Now I want to troubleshoot, debug. Okay, I have to form the link file. Okay, so that steps I have already told you. You have to go one by one. Translate, build and rebuild. Translate. So once I translate, troubleshooting will be done. See, I have clicked on the translate. Now it is assembling the program. It is giving you 0 error and 0 warning, so there is no error. Then you have to build. So project multiplication, now it is giving you project size. It is giving you time elapsed to build the file, so 4 seconds. Okay, so target one linking. Okay, so link so जैसे हम TASM में करते थे TD link. Okay, okay, then once that file is created, then I want that file should be an executable file. So then you have to rebuild here. Go to the rebuild. So once you rebuild, there comes the assembling of this file. Okay, so rebuild. It has taken 3 microseconds. Okay, now translate, build, rebuild होने के बाद the next one is go to the debug now and start debug session. So once you start debug session, it will ask you the running with close size limit 2K. Okay कर दो. Then there you will see one more window. This is the assembly window. तो हम इसको अगर जब नीचे करेंगे तो actually will be able to see कि हम program कैसे execute कर रहे हैं. So it will show you the 00 because I have started my program from 000h. So this is 000h. Then उसके बाद it has consumed 1 byte. So you have 002. It has consumed I think consumed 2 bytes. This also consumed 2 bytes. This consumed 1 byte, and so forth. So this is the disassembly. It will show you the opcode also, and along with that, it will show you the instructions also. Okay. So this instruction and that instruction can be checked. Okay. So this is disassembly. Now here also you will be able to see the registers. Okay. So I want you to take the screenshot of this where you have a code, and after execution of the instruction, once you run the code, then you will see the registers and registers value and the PSW value. So this will be taken as an output window. So this will be output and this is a code. Okay, so एक screenshot इसका चाहिए, एक screenshot इसका चाहिए. Okay, now debug session मैंने start किया था. Then once that debug session, then you have to run the program. Okay, you have to run the program. So once I run the program, see what is going to happen. R0 में है 12, R1 में है 12, R2 is with 44. 12 is hexa number. This is also hexa number. The multiplication of 12 into 12 gives you an hexa number of 44. A is also having a 44 number. Okay, B register. Now here B register is giving you 01. It is giving you 01. So can any one of you tell me what is this B value? What is this B value? R0 12, R1 also 12. You have move R0 into A. Okay, but accumulator now हम जब run करते हैं ना तो all the instructions are executed one by one and final answer we are getting. The final answer we are getting. So that's why R2 is having 44 and A is also having 44. But here B it is giving you 01. Here B is giving you 0. So what is this 01? I will stop the execution. Okay. अगर मैं start debug करता हूँ, ओके करता हूँ, ओके, और मुझे अगर रन नहीं करना है all the program at a time, if I want to execute one by one, then you have the single step execution. अब single step execution में क्या हो रहा है? It will execute it one by one. देखो पहला instruction 12 गया R0 में, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 12 गया R1 में. ओके, यू हैव टू सी योर प्रोग्राम काउंटर ऑल्सो. प्रोग्राम काउंटर बता रहा है कि नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन 004 वाला एग्जीक्यूट होगा. दिस इज 004. मूव A, R0. ये देखो, मूव A, R0. सो सिंगल स्टेप. देन ये एग्जीक्यूट R0 होने के बाद 12 विल गो टू A. आई वांट R1 इनटू B. सो B में जाएगा 12. B में जाएगा 12. ओके, देन again single step. Now here your actual multiplication will be happening. A into B. हम A into B करेंगे तो your result will store in by default in accumulator. See here 44 has gone there, and you also have to see the PSW value. PSW value, it comes to be 004. So here there is an overflow. Can you see here one overflow? The overflow is created when the 9th bit is generated. So there is an overflow 1. There is no carry, nothing, no auxiliary carry, no parity, nothing. There is only overflow given by 1. Okay, given by 1. And this is indicated by 4. This is indicated by 4. PSW indicated by 4 का मतलब होता है you have to check this. Okay, so overflow value is 1. Then आपका मल्टीप्लीकेशन होने के बाद आपका आंसर, हाँ, आपका आंसर कहाँ पे है? ए में है, 44 में. Okay, then I have to move that into R2. You have to move into R2. So your R2 becomes 44 now. Okay, so but B has become 0, 1. Okay, and your program is in. Now, can any one of you tell you what is the meaning of B is equals to 0, 1? What is the meaning of B is equals to 0, 1? Can any one of you tell me what is 0, 1 in B?
सर वो नहीं समझ रहा है सर.
नहीं समझ रहा है? ठीक है, मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप कैल्सी में मुझे बताओ 12 हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12 हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर, उसका दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके आंसर क्या आता है? जिसके पास कैल्सी है वो कैल्सी में मुझे बताओ 12H into 12H gives you how much?
सर 144 आता है.
हाँ, 144 आता है. आपका एक्यूमुलेटर का साइज कितना है? आपका एक्यूमुलेटर का साइज कितना है? एक्यूमुलेटर का साइज कितना है? कितना होल्ड कर सकता है एक्यूमुलेटर? ए रजिस्टर. अरे मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ एक्यूमुलेटर कितने साइज का होता है एक्यूमुलेटर?
सर 8 बिट.
8 बिट का बोलो ना, 8 बिट. आपका आंसर आया 144. आपका आंसर है 144. ओके, सो 44 will be stored into the accumulator. 44 will be stored into accumulator. अभी 1 आपका स्टोर करना है ना. आपका 144 आंसर आया, इसका मतलब देयर इज एन ओवरफ्लो, एंड ओवरफ्लो आपका PSW में दिखा रहा है. ओवरफ्लो में दैट बिट इज सेट टू 1. सो लोअर 8 बिट है that is stored into the accumulator, that is 44 is stored into the accumulator, and वो जो 1 है, जो आपका 144 आंसर आया था, वो 1 that is 01 is stored into the B register. That is stored into B register. तो हमेशा याद रखो मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर if it is greater than 8 bit, if it is greater than 8 bit, the lower 8 bit is stored into the accumulator and the upper 8 bit is stored into the B register. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes. So lower bit in accumulator and lower 8 bit in accumulator and higher 8 bit is in B register. And the syntax of multiplication is mul AB, and the syntax is mul AB. and the syntax is mul AB. So that is why the answer 144 is stored into A register as well as B register. Do you agree with this? All of you
Yes,
agree
sir.
with this? हाँ, तो इसलिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ये आंसर है. तो सिमिलरली यू ट्राई विद different ऑप्शंस एंड चेक योर आंसर. ओके, तो जैसे ये है, तो आई नीड टू शो यू फॉर डिवीजन आल्सो. आई विल शो यू फॉर द डिवीजन आल्सो, क्योंकि आप लोगों को ये सिंटैक्स नहीं पता था बिकॉज इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट्स हमने नहीं लिए. सो मल ए बी इज द इंस्ट्रक्शन. अंडरलाइन दिस, मल ए बी इज द इंस्ट्रक्शन. अदर देन दिस यू कैन नॉट टेक एनीथिंग एल्स. ओके, हम एक काम करते हैं, हम इसको हम यहाँ पे R0 R1 करके देखते हैं और देखते हैं सिंटैक्स एरर क्या आता है. हम यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते, हमको डीबग सेशन स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा. स्टॉप करने के बाद यहाँ पे हमको R0 R1 करके इसको सेव करना पड़ेगा. सेव करने के बाद हमको ट्रांसलेट करना पड़ेगा. सी यार, अभी यहाँ पे एरर आता है क्या? कैन यू सी यार वन एरर? और वन एरर देखो कहाँ पे आ रहा है, लाइन नंबर 6 पे आ रहा है. एरर A39 register operand expected, register operand expected. तो there is an error at line number 6. There is one error. मैंने आपको बताया था वार्निंग चलेंगी, एरर 0 चाहिए. So there is error. तो हम ये नहीं कर सकते, हम ये नहीं कर सकते. हमको इसको AB ही लेना पड़ता है, हमको यहाँ पे AB ही लेना पड़ता है. So once AB is there, you have to save this and then you can translate and you can see there is 0. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now similarly I will show for division also, क्योंकि जब तक ये प्रॉपर नहीं समझेगा तो हम आगे नहीं जा पाएंगे और हमने इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट्स भी नहीं किए. So I will go to project, close project, then go to the project, new project. In the new project I want new folder in the document. So new folder, this will be project 4. So the project 4. Okay, so in project 4 I will be showing you for the division. So you can write down division. This will be saved as a .uv project. Save this. It will ask you the device. It is 89C51, 89C51, 89C51. So microchip, yes, this one is okay. Yes. And then you have target source group 1 and startup 5. ये मैं वहां से भी नो कर सकता हूँ. Okay. Then go to the new folder, this one. Then here I will be writing down the code. Now see the code for division. ये मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, division of two 8-bit numbers. You can try with 16 by 8. You can try by 16 by 16. Okay, I am showing you for two 8-bit numbers. Okay, now see the division. ORG, and for every program there should be a flowchart and algorithm. Okay, so ORG 0000 H, enter. So it is move a comma hash. Hash का मतलब होता है immediate data. So 12H move.
सर डिवाइस कौन सा लिया इसके लिए?
इसके लिए हमने वही सेम डिवाइस लेना है. हमको माइक्रोचिप का 89C5 हमेशा हम वही लेंगे, माइक्रो कंट्रोलर 89C5. ठीक है? Is it
यस
fine?
सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
हाँ. So हमने एक नंबर लिया A में, दूसरा नंबर हम B में ले रहे और वो नंबर है 07. So hash 07H and see the command for division. It is DIVAB. यहाँ पे भी DAB है, यहाँ पे भी AB है. लेकिन अभी क्वेश्चन है, डिवीजन का आंसर जो होगा कुछ ना कुछ रिमाइंडर रहेगा, कुछ ना कुछ डिविडेंड रहेगा। तो रिमाइंडर किधर जाएगा और डिविडेंड किधर जाएगा? ओके, सो आंसर जो भी बाय डिफॉल्ट ए में जाएगा वो रिमाइंडर है या डिविजर है, डिवाइडेंड है, हमको देखना है। बट आई वांट दैट शुड बी मूव इनटू R0, सो मूव R0 कॉमा ए। अब मुझे ए में क्या आंसर जा रहा है मुझे पता नहीं, हमें हमें चेक करना है। एंड मूव R1 कॉमा बी। तो मुझे एक बात पता है कि रिमाइंडर विल बी गोइंग इधर इन ए और बी एंड डिविजर विल बी गो अदरवाइज विल गो इधर इन ए और बी। ओके, so move R1 comma B and end the program. So this is a program. Okay, can any one of you do on the calc 12h divided by 07h? Can you tell me the remainder and the dividend? 12h divided by 07h. Tell me the remainder and the dividend. Yes, क्या आंसर है?
सर 2 और रिमाइंडर 4।
2 is the remainder and
नो सर, क्वोशंट इज 2 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 4।
हाँ, हाँ, yes, sorry, quotient is 2
2 सर,
and remainder is
4।
okay, we will see now a में क्या जा रहा है और b में क्या जा रहा है। okay, so we have end this program, then save this program. So I have to save this program and the file name is div. Okay, the file name is div, but this has to be saved as .asm file, not .c file. Then save this file in the same folder, then you can see the changes here. Then I have to attach this file into the source group 1. So you can right click on the source group 1, right click and sorry, yes, add existing file to group source group 1. It is getting, हाँ, कौन सी फाइल चाहिए मुझे? अब यहाँ पे मेरे फाइल का नाम नहीं है तो मुझे .asm वाली फाइल चाहिए। तो हम जब asm को क्लिक करेंगे then you will be able to see that file. I think that file has not generated. Close this.
सर लास्ट प्रोग्राम में मुझे भी यही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था।
अच्छा, ये आ रहा था।
हाँ सर।
Okay, let me save this file. Oh, sorry. I will first remove this and then I will add the file.
सर एक बार टेक्स्ट फाइल चेक करके देखो।
हाँ,
एक बार सर टेक्स्ट फाइल चेक करके देखो वो फाइल टाइप में।
नहीं, दिस इज रॉन्ग। ये मैंने यहाँ पे ओपन किया ना इसलिए वो आया। आई कैन रिमूव दिस, क्लोज ऑल। There will be only one file.
सो मुझे अभी दिखा रहा है मेरे लैपटॉप पे
सर
वो
उस फाइल को फिर से सेव करो।
फिर से सेव करूं? ओके ओके, सेव किया। अभी राइट क्लिक करके ऐड एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल टू द सोर्स ग्रुप 1। नो, इट इज नॉट शोइंग।
हम सर सेव एज करके वहां पे जहाँ पे .asm फाइल है ना वहां पे सेव करो।
अच्छा ठीक है, गो टू द फाइल, सेव एज। ये प्रोजेक्ट 3 है, मेरा प्रोजेक्ट 3 है क्या? नहीं, मेरा प्रोजेक्ट नंबर 4 है ना। सो प्रोजेक्ट नंबर 4 div.asm एंड सेव। ओके, शायद अभी आएगा। देन गो टू द सोर्स ग्रुप 1, राइट क्लिक, ऐड एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल टू द सोर्स ग्रुप 1। यस, बराबर है। इसका मतलब वो प्रॉपर सेव नहीं हुआ था। ओके, देखो किसी लोगों को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आए तो फिर से जाके सेव एज करना, और आपका जो फोल्डर है पाथ, यू शुड रिमेम्बर द पाथ। ओके, आपको पाथ याद होना चाहिए, और जब सेव करोगे तो .asm बोल के सेव करना, देन इट विल अपीयर हियर। देन दिस इज माय फाइल एंड यू कैन ऐड नाउ, एंड you can see here in the project group space, yes, आ गई, and close it. Okay,
और सर स्टार्टअप फाइल निकालना जरूरी है क्या वहां से?
वो आपको है ना आगे प्रॉब्लम देगा। आपका जो ये कंपाइलर है ना, दैट वोंट बी एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट विच द फाइल यू वांट, सो इट्स बेटर कि आपके सोर्स ग्रुप में एक ही फाइल हो। इसलिए हमेशा याद रखो, एक फाइल एक सोर्स ग्रुप 1। ओके, दो फाइल एक सोर्स ग्रुप पे में आएंगे तो योर कंपाइलर विल नॉट डिफरेंशिएट विच इज द फाइल यू वांट टू कंपाइल एंड एग्जीक्यूट। ओके, इसलिए हम अलग अलग फोल्डर बनाते हैं, इसीलिए बनाते हैं। ओके, तो वहां पे अगर startup.a51 रहेगा और आपका div.asm रहेगा, then it will create a problem. You can try by yourself. You will come to know that there will be some troubleshooting problem. Okay, तो ये मैंने फाइंड अच्छे ये किया। Now I will go with the translate. I will check with the errors. So there are 0 errors. Then build, rebuild, and rebuild. Okay. Wait, translate, build, rebuild. Okay, then go to the debug and start the debugging session. Okay, then you have deassembling program. तो हम one by one execute करते हैं। Okay, I will go one by one. So यहाँ पे ध्यान ध्यान रखना भी, हाँ, 12A में जाएगा। यस, 12A में गया। 07B में जाएगा। ओके, गया। देन सी हियर, और एक बात है, यहाँ पे आपका स्टॉक भी आता है, स्टैक आता है, स्टैक, लोकल स्टैक। So this is not your for your importance, but at least you can see here. Okay, so ये होने के बाद now div execute होगा a और b. Okay, आपने मुझे बताया था quotient is 4 ना, और रिमाइंडर 2 है ना?
नहीं नहीं सर, क्वेश्चन 2 है, रिमाइंडर 4 है।
हाँ ठीक है। अभी देखो मैं ये मेन इंस्ट्रक्शन एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा हूँ div का। So once I execute this, yes, you are right, a और 4 है। ए में आपका क्या गया? 2 गया।
क्वेश्चन
हाँ, तो क्वोशंट आपका ए में जाता है और रिमाइंडर आपका बी में जाता है। क्वोशंट आपका ए में जाता है, रिमाइंडर आपका बी में जाता है। इसलिए ऐसा नंबर लिया कि आपका क्वोशंट और रिमाइंडर दोनों आना चाहिए। कंप्लीट डिविजिबल नंबर नहीं लिया मैंने। ओके, सो 2 and 4। अब बस मुझे R0 में 2 चाहिए और R1 में बी चाहिए। सो ये आ गया और ये आ गया। सो एंड द प्रोग्राम। ओके, सो यू हैव सीन दिस। अगर हमको PSW देखना है तो PSW में हमको यस पैरिटी बोले तो आपका जो 2 आंसर आता है ना, सो 2 बोले,
इवन पैरिटी।
हाँ, इट्स इवन पैरिटी। no, रुको,
सॉरी सर ऑड पैरिटी होगा बिकॉज 2
Yes.
सिर्फ एक ही बनाएगा सर,
हाँ, because number
बाइनरी इक्विवेलेंट।
corresponding to का number of ones कितने हैं, और बना एक ही आता है ना, तो आपका ऑड पैरिटी, ऑड पैरिटी दिखाने के लिए 1 आता है। अगर इवन पैरिटी होगा तो ये 0 आएगा, इसलिए PSW की वैल्यू 0001 है। सो 0001 का मतलब होता है कि पैरिटी बिट का वेट 1 है, बाकी सब 0 है। सो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस डिविजन।
सर वो पैरिटी बिट कौन से मतलब कौन से रिजल्ट का चेक हो रहा है, क्वोशंट या रिमाइंडर?
नहीं, क्वेश्चन रिमाइंडर का नहीं, आपका ये वाला, आपका एक्यूमुलेटर का।
हाँ ओके, अरे हाँ सॉरी सर, हाँ
आपके एक्यूमुलेटर का। PSW हमेशा एक्यूमुलेटर पे ध्यान देता है। आपका जो भी रिजल्ट आता है एक्यूमुलेटर आता है। यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, तो आपका क्वेश्चन जो भी इमेज आ रहा है उसी पे वो ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है आपका PSW वैल्यू क्या रहेगी। ठीक है, इज इट फाइन?
यस सर।
ओके, हम एक काम करेंगे, यहाँ पे हम रुकेंगे। द नेक्स्ट वन यू कैन ट्राई बाय योरसेल्फ, एंड these 2 experiment, the deadline will be Saturday, and one I'll be giving you as a homework. Please write down the homework and try by yourself now. Okay, अगर इसका कोड मिलता है तो just Google search and get the code. The third experiment will be for logical operations, and write down the aim. Write down the aim, all of you. Write down the aim. Write the program using 8051 assembly language for the following. Write the program using 8051 assembly language for the following. A A program to find number of ones and zeros in a given byte. Program to find number of ones and zeros in a given byte. And B, program to convert BCD to ASCII and vice versa. Program to convert BCD to ASCII and vice versa. Program to convert BCD to ASCII, ASCII, and vice versa. And vice versa. Program नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. I want you to tell me the logic, to tell me the algorithm, to explain me the flow chart. Program हम बाद में लिखेंगे, बाद में करेंगे, but at least try for the logic, try for the algorithm, and try for the flow chart. I can ask any one of you next time in the next week. Okay, so do remember to complete your writing part till Saturday. Okay, तो आज मैं आपको assignment assign करता हूँ in the classroom. Is it clear to everyone? Any questions, any doubt? Any doubt? Yes?
No, sir.
Okay.
No sir.
So we will see in the next week now. Complete your writing part. Whatever जो मैंने आपको दिया था. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can just WhatsApp me or mail me, or else you can call me. Okay. So see you in the next week. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
bye bye.